Hello, meditation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of meditation facts. Did you know that meditation has been around for thousands of years and was first practiced in ancient civilizations like India? It's believed that meditation originated over 5,000 years ago and is associated with Hinduism and Buddhism. India is often associated with the practice of yoga, and it's no surprise that several ancient meditation techniques were developed there. The word meditation itself comes from the Latin word meditatio, which means to think, reflect, or ponder upon something. Meditation is a powerful tool for mental health and well-being. It can help reduce stress levels, improve focus and concentration, enhance mood, and even increase compassion towards others. As you can see, meditation is not just a fad, it's an ancient practice that has stood the test of time. So, if you haven't tried it yet, consider giving it a shot. Your mind will thank you for it. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about meditation facts, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay calm and peaceful.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Get your personal handwriting and signature analysis for free when you comment or contact us.